Happy wonderful Wednesday, everyone. It's your girl Yvonne from Woman on a Mission. I'm back with another update. So I saw this article on Facebook and decided to give it a try. So this is my pot that I picked up today, my planter rather, with my dirt. And these are my tomatoes. So what I'm getting ready to do is stick these tomatoes down in the dirt, like it said in the article. Oops, I almost tripped and fell, to try to grow my own tomatoes at home. This is what I'm doing, you guys, because just like the article said, I never thought about it before, but tomatoes have a bunch of seeds in them. So we're just supposed to plant these in dirt and let them be, and they're supposed to just do what they do. So that's what I'm doing here. Got them planted, and I'm just gonna set them out. I even bought a little stand just for this pot. So like everything else, I'll give weekly updates to let you guys see whether or not this really works. Okay, so that's all I have for today. If you like my video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified to get those good updates as I bring them to you. That's all I have. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you. Namaste. Bye-bye. Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Yvonne with a status update. Now, the video that you're going to see before this one was made on April the 11th. I had lost my video because I make so much content. I had to go back through my phone and find it. But this is the tomato plant as of today, Saturday, April the 22nd. I brought everything in last night because it rained really hard. And so since everything is still so delicate, I didn't want the torrential rainfall to really damage the plants. But that's everything else over there. We're going to keep it inside on the screened-in section of the patio because it's supposed to rain again later on this evening. But look, you guys, it's only been about, what, 10 days since I planted these? And these are the tomatoes. They're sprouting up through the dirt. So I just wanted to give you guys a follow-up on how my little tomato plant is doing. This really, really works. So I'll put the link to the article that I found on Facebook down below in the description. Well, I'll just put that link so that if you guys want to try this, then go for it. You know, it works. I'll have tomatoes this spring and summer as well. All right, you guys, that's all I wanted to tell you guys for today. Enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. Take care. God bless. Namaste.